आता खबरो विस्तारान मंगळारा काँग्रेसीच्या प्रदेशाध्यक्ष पदाचेर गिरीश चोडणकर हांची निवड जाली। शांताराम नायकान प्रदेशाध्यक्ष पदाचो राजीनामो दिल्या उपरांत हे पद रिते आशिल्ले। काँग्रेसीचे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधीन गोय प्रदेशाध्यक्ष पदाचेर चोडणकराची निवड केल्या म्हण माहिती काँग्रेसीचे गोय राज्य प्रभारी डॉक्टर ए चेल्लाकुमार हांणी दिल्या। अडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस।
Sir, is it true that the new GPCC president in Goa has been announced?
Yes. Yeah, Girish is the new PCC president now.
Okay. As a Goa desk in charge, what are the things you would like to see from the new president and all?
Now, being a youngster, he can very actively involve in the day-to-day activities, and he can roam around totally. He can reach to the masses, public, across the state. So he can be very more active now.
Okay.
I hope we are confident that he will deliver more.
Earlier there was also there was in the news that Mr. Digambar Kamath also was being proposed by MLAs and all. What about this then?
See, in an organization like Congress, there is everybody can expect this thing like that, because everybody has the rights to ask for anything. But Digambar Kamath being a very senior leader of Congress, he was also already the former chief minister also. So that is not the thing like that. He also has anything against Girish. Some MLAs have suggested so many names also. I already told the people that in the media that time also, when I was in Goa, that more than 7-8 names were out at that time. So people have recommended more than 7-8 names. So that's wrong in that.
No, but
democratic party like Congress, there is nothing wrong in that.
But even there were chances seen that if Digambar Kamath had been the president, then your government, Congress government, would come in the state and all.
No, this is nothing related with the government. This is party president is to reorganize the total organization, to rejuvenate the Congress party across the booth level. So the government formation is something different. So there is nothing correlating this and that. It's not a right thing. Government formation is something different.
Is the party
yes, acceptable to all the MLAs and acceptable to those who are supporting the government. So party president is totally a discretion of the Congress president.
Okay. Has the central leader gone to accordance with the youth leadership instead of the senior leaders and all? What it is?
No, not like that. Our Girish is also a senior only. In our organization, he is also a senior man, because he has started his career from NSY, Youth Congress. He was an All India secretary for quite a long period. So he is an organized, experienced man.
एक बूथ लेवलाचेर जो कार्यकर्तो काम करता, म्हाका दिसता आयज त्या बूथ लेवल कार्यकर्त्याचो सन्मान जाल्लो आसा। जो कार्यकर्तो बुथा भायर रावन ऑपोजिशन जे पार्टी आसा तेंचे कडेन झगडटा प्रत्येक बुथाचेर, तो थंय बुथा लोकांले घरघरांनी भोंवता, कार्डां वाडटा, बुथाचेर बसता आनी काँग्रेस पक्षाचें जें काम आसा तें घरघरांनी पावोवपाचें काम करता। त्या कार्यकर्त्याचो आयज सन्मान 28 वर्सां पयलीं हांव पक्षांत जेन्ना प्रवेश केलो तेन्ना हांव एक बूथ लेवला वयलो कार्यकर्तो म्हणून सुरवात केल्ली, जो लोकांल्या दारान वचून कार्डां वाडटालो, बुथा भायर बसतालो, बुथा भितर पोलिंग एजंट जावन काम करतालो आनी पक्षाचें काम घरान व्हरपाचें काम करतालो। तो काँग्रेस पार्टीचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष जावपाक शकता हें आयज ह्या निवृत्तींतल्यान आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यां कडेन पावता। आनी म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेस पक्ष हो एकमेव पक्ष आसा जंय बूथ लेवला वयलो कार्यकर्तो हो पार्टीचो प्रेसिडेंट सुद्दां जावपाक शकता। सो त्या खातीर हांव आमच्या पार्टीचे सगळे कार्यकर्ते, बूथ लेवलावयले सगळे वर्कर्स, आमचे पार्टीचे सगळे लिडर्स, आमचे आमदार, आमचे इन्चार्ज डॉक्टर चेल्लाकुमार आनी आमचे पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी हांकां सगळ्यांक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कारण आयज म्हाजेर एक तेणी विश्वास दाखयल्लो आसा, एक ल्हान कार्यकर्त्याचेर विश्वास दवरलेलो आसा आनी त्या विश्वासाक हांव सगळ्यांच्या आशिर्वादान आनी सपोर्टान विश्वास स्थापीत करपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो.